ki khubor ka Batesi TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nam ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
Ka ICFA University Meghalaya haringkat ke jingas nok tilang bagi India Tourism Shillong klara ke World Tourism Day arajar posau dago penlong ya program ke barsngi hakar pendurek bakar penyodrek unai lur arajar posau hagisngi sedang la penlong ya ke workshop lokapang capacity building hak bagi samla nagashnong kli asam badang kashnong maulindam ringkat bagi samla puli jing university creation benta Hagbo tourism consultant uba yan lingdo lolong kumukongsan ringkat gajinan lang jumba banlum lingdo blami khmat naga clara tours and travels ka pioneers adventure tour Meghalaya kala ajingi kairu halokapang adventure tourism and tour guiding lingbau ba Jason Lamare bat naga green tech foundation Meghalaya halokapang waste management bala aidu ba ritri lingdo bat naga abda mitra volunteers bala ajing kran halokapang first aid and life saving skills Hagisngi ke bot la penlong dengan special program hagisnong kli asam mauken row blog is khasi hills strength hakabo GRDO jaga mauken row blog uba pinchngain lang warlai thmau lolong kumukongsan ringkat gajindon lang assistant director ka the India Tourism Shillong Amit Kumar Gupta ka university klano senyang ru dagi life jacket bagi tin bread nyut shagisnong kli asam bar hakini ki arsngi la penlong ru yaki jimpin kho yaki rot ki kyar kumshibinta jaga swach hata he seva arajar phosau
As you all know, we are gathered here today to celebrate World Tourism Day. And just as an introduction, I would just like to give all of you a brief about what Tourism Day is and why we are celebrating it this year as the department. The World Tourism Day has been held every year on the 27th of September since 1980. It marks the anniversary of the adoption of the statutes of the organization in 1970, paving the way for the establishment of UN tourism 5 years later. On World Tourism Day, we reflect on the profound connection between tourism and peace, which is the theme for this year. And as a department, this year's World Tourism Day, we have decided to organize a 2-day celebration today, which is a workshop wherein students will be receiving training on the following topics, that is tour guiding and adventure tourism, hospitality skills for service providers, waste management and basic first aid for tour guides. And also tomorrow we will be visiting Clay Assam village, which is one of the villages which we as the department have taken keen initiative to lend a helping hand and promote it as a tourism destination, and specifically to ensure that it is sustainable in the long run. So with these few words, I would like to welcome you all, and I hope you learn a lot from the department in each session that we will be organizing today. Thank you.
sensible that whenever you carry waste with you, that's enough to generate pollution to the area. You must be able how to make use of your sensible sense that I will not litter. And tourist spots, adventure tours and resorts and beautiful scenic places, they must have waste management protocols where plastic waste goes in this bin, paper waste goes in that bin, this waste goes there. And if you can't, we have a very beautiful group of this in society where we all deliberately term them as rag pickers. We from the foundation, we never call them rag pickers. We call them waste collectors. Why they waste collectors? You see them, you might demean them, they see wearing ragged clothes and all, but then they are the people who segregate waste out of all the dump that you've been applying out there. Out of what you've accumulated and gathered out there, they are the one who's going to segregate that waste. Kani plastic, kani cork, kani cardboard, kani tin, kani all this. Can I have the next slide? So we've all heard of the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Recycle, reduce, and reuse. Very good. But we have something that calls 7 R's. First one being rethink. But put the mind waste management. Revamp your mind. Rethink, re-innovate. What can be done out of waste? Should it just end up in Marten? Should it just end up in any other landfill? Or can something come out of it? Rethink. You need to re-evaluate and reassess what have you been producing and generating all this money. The second one, you refuse. And one thing which I like about this program today also, you refused plastic bottles today. You served us water in a glass. That's very commendable. Thank you so much, Iqbal. Thank you so much, HOD, who had taken such a step. Then you reduce. You reduce the use of a material that can be reused again. You reduce so that you don't have to repeat it 2-3 times you're going to buy it. You can reuse that item. Then regulate how much amount of waste you are to produce. Now just think of it, that amount of waste. Imagine the whole state of Meghalaya. Isn't the number scary? Scary, huh? Imagine each and every individual household in Meghalaya and think about it the world now. How is it? Then you recycle. Recycle is a very, we all know, commonly, but recycle, you know, look at that. Then reuse, we reuse again and again, and research. We come again, but rethink, you revamp, and you re-innovate. You think what can be done out of waste. Then you research. Can I have the next? Now when we talk about tourism and waste, there are many things. Just these four that I want to focus on. Number one being waste generation. When there's a tourist spot, with tourist inflow, with the setting of footfalls, there will be generation of waste. Yes. Second, with the generation of waste comes what? Pollution. Then when there's generation of waste and then there's pollution, what happens to the Rambashna and the local Darbar? Straight. The smell and plastic that's littered around, scattering around. At the end of the day, even the local villages, they will complain to the Rambashna, the headman, and the local authorities. Then it promotes sustainability. Now when you say sustainability here, landfills, rather than being them filled up within just 2-3 years, that landfill will stay there for another 20-30 years. And you don't have to have issues like what Jayanti Hills is now facing. You don't have dumping ground anymore. It's a crisis. You see how that market, Yahoo how it's turning into like 10 now, right? So these are what we have to understand. And then all these waste management, it does what protects the environment. Tourist spots are clean. They bring in more inflow because it does not get distorted. And then ethically, you're environmentally sound. You're not producing garbage here and there. You're reducing the capacity build of a landfill, and also you're living in one with nature.
It's not breathing, right? Then you do the compression. How many compression? Your hands straight.
32? How much is it? 30 baht?
Lock your hands.
Someone sitting like they will support. The casualty will sit here with support his back. He will sit here and his back will be supported by their hands.
You hold them.
How many? Did you say? 3, no? 1, 2, 3. First he's holding his own wrist. Then he's holding his partner. And then the partner will hold each other's. This is called three-handed seal. You tell the casualty to hold their shoulder and then sit on their hand. This we use if you have knee injury. Since he can't walk and we can't just leave it like that, we need to support his injured knee, right? So we use these 3 hand chairs.
Now the 4-hand chair. See, the apex is on the side of his injured elbow. You fold, you take the side and you tie it with the other one on the other side of the injured arm. This is the large arm sling. This one right here, you don't need to leave it like this. You need to tuck it somewhere. This is like a support. If any sharp object or any object this will protect him from any sharp object if in case he gets. Thank you. Next volunteers, please. Support. So that the injured hand will move.
Please call it as what? With your black t-shirt. Okay, what sling is this, guys? Pardon? Large.
Is there any difference to this arm and the type of like
The one in the middle?
Yeah, is there any difference between these two? Like,
For what kind of injuries basically do you
yeah,
As said, the large arm sling is for the arm and for elbow.
okay.
And as said, for the same joint is for the fingers and shoulder. And for the collar cuff, is to provide the protection, support for the broken wrists. Ma'am, any question?
Marco kajing chop yang ikipu Kamte umhomani kinong chu Lani kinong punjet penpra yang kamaria Baik kam cinta kamari yogi Dagi mati yogi kam kenuksa Kam kenuksa ya kawa ukra Najwa Marco kam wakot wajar Hakini kisi hai hai daman doi nangger
Kendiat ngancu keren nyepi haka leng haka experience ke jonga haka ka jing siam jonga jong jing ya ti jonga tengah ngasang gini gi berkhot masalah don nak bakal lai ka sausnem dan ingkong ngasang tur kai ngasai alam kai gi turus keleng ke jela tengah i gi cika jong ke jela ka jong sisa kalong ka bapla bat umdai bangai i tang manga bat na kita gi turus ki bawan ru ngayo sisa kata ke jingiro naki ba kita ong yang you are so lucky you are born in the paradise milong sisa uta ubala khadang dok ka kami bala kha hapo ka beneng namar bali git lara pikran sha bungta lara phimi sabar ka jala ka jongi phimi tanga go hatiru ka sun beneng kalai pher la bak la bak kala kala ro khoi pinpet tangna ka jinglong jong kamareng ro kala bak la bak nono shado na kata kada gini ki brio ki baran chakri thor na ki baran chaka jala jong ka wei jong ka jingi le chaka wei pat ka benta jong ka prthei ka jong iru kisu tanat banuan jong ka sini kisu tanat banuan petkai ka ya kani ka jala ka jong ina mar bale ki i ka prthei mental mo ki i ki social media ki ki TV ki ki Instagram ki ki Facebook ki jong ki bakat no sisa kalong kata ka bai tanat bat kajing itanat jongka kamde tangga kepertai mariang ka itanat jongka jela ka jungi kalong haka riti ka tustun haka ta culture haka kor ka buram kaji gabangi ngitan haka kumbam kumdi jungi haman kilyang larangi khen sisa ka jela ka jungi kala dei sisa kata ka jela ka bala chak kerku berpang te ka shong spat satang hangingin kumno bangin penan kam hak ya kata ni kumno bangin make use mo kumbaong naktin pareng ya kata kumno bangin lei kenang ban kentiu kai ya kayo kokot najong ban kentiu ya kayo kokot jong ka jela i berkoe
ya kendu para brio ya keren kumno bangin ya nang ban keren kumno ngi bangin ya nang ban ya lam lenti ya ki kumno ban ya lam ya ki syakita ki jaka kum kita ki guides ne kum kita ki brio ki bala sempang hakade ka kam kelenti ke nang jrong nang ni sekhmat kanang jrong ha nang ni sekhmat kibun gigi namar ba hangne posdong pindang stang keempat kieu hodo kata ta tourism keempat kieu hodo kata ta pindang lap kiwe gijing duna kibobun gijing duna
mang itet ni bawa ka jela jumi ka dei na kiwe kita ki jela ka baru spa ha da chiken ka me mariam so kadun potential ba kalian jong tourism so kung kini kita program personally ni nga alam ba ni tam sibur ni program umar ba kapensyai dari ka ai kata jing syai dari ka ai kata jing tip sagi hamtam ski rural areas mo no ba chang ka tourism ba ka benefit ne ka baki kila baki ni long ta kalian dengan so comment ba so dap data ka jing comment mengadon bentalang ba kani program mo benta ba ai ka singiro how sa IFA University baka penlong ini program actually ni don kami ini program man ka por nang ba kan sampai pang ya aparo yang ang tengah relate ke tourism department ni kita di department na kini di TV di bang ngiram kini midon kami kini ke program kini kita program ni giban aji kai sisa giban konsulto sisa agi babun yang dimai apa ya deka kumem to kumanga ong menne ba kini ka snong sak la long sak snong ba tanat la don pa kita ki potential aka di waterfalls kita di cloud snong kumang si ong na unta Ilot kita cakap ilagi bangat deh untuk adventure field. Dengan itu kita bisa kata potential bagi lak bagi set up Gino ini di adventure activity. Nang bagi turis di bawah sini kita banci mentah, hanya enjoy, banyak teman kita lagi judge activities kan. Dan kami kerja cuma di cloud kita tak jumpa di Krishna. Kalau siap cloud ke bahaya ke berben. Di dalam Krishna kenang bon preserve, jadi kalau preserve, pendukung matahari dia, punya ikimara, so there's so much potential kata ba mungkin researchers bila penuan sini bila research di medicinal herbs bila research di mushrooms atau bird watchers wildlife photographers kalau menteri nak jel tengah nak ke India gitu ni nak pakai hiboroko itu sports kebetulan ni kalau orang ni bagi kita di reverse ni kita lagi di bawah dan kita lagi di bawah smooth, kalau crystal clear. Berkira kita shot kita kena, berkelip ke jongki, kalau kita nak kacang jerong ni kahai kita nak. Kadang kita lagi, kalau ngajin experience kita jangan kadang percaya lah. Kalau falls rappelling, kadang percaya lah kayaking, buat river canyoning. Ini water activities kita personally hingga kalau mentah ini, bahkan ini berjaga ini mentah ini, kadang saya kita cari bagi lah, ban implement dan ban penolong kita. One grand kita kumnova kasno jopi kan yele man tempau show ya kejikut jum subak kan ko culture nah, kibawang bantai awareness pangka tourism untuk mereka dengan untuk
dari sini kan yang jumpi di studio di university yang boleh menginspirasi program ini. Deh, hari ini buka nega sekitar kan itu singapura. Bagi kita sedang menduk sistem nilai UI bagi nilai lek yang jadi program kicisin. Mentah sistem iyo ini kalau kita kami senang. Dan makata iyo itu sibuk yang ini sedang mentaka dukung naduk ka jinglong cuman jongi ibreu bat tunjuk ka akor keburong ka akor keburong bat ka jingkut musbah ko ka senang katau ni yang kesuang ini sibuk ya kene program ko semarah dan juga jong ikrimen skemba kene ke jimarah di kanlang be ke jingmentoi sispa yang ini susah kita ki kebang ini susah ni disiplin kenapa kami kesini ke university ini university program mana kami akan di pemerintah NIOI bakal jimpen mentah jongka Ministry of Tourism juga Shillong Office kepala sponsor ya kami program pemerintah TKI kecil jompi nakalan jong sorkar kami nakalan jompi NGO kepala menyerap pilih se kamban pintu cuci tourism TKI try kecil jompi nakalan ban pergi Tongi ni kalian ka Shillong Jungi, kumni kumagilong mentah, kalau widon ki jika tukan wong ni ke jaka, tegi dak don sibun bak jing dua, kumba kalong mentah. Tegi kerpat ki department bakar mo, kantam ini ki tulis sendiri mo, ki bawan reduksi berkunjuk, maki ki rak kubur, suka nambah minang la su man penbit biang hari de bat ka jika suka ni kenti ki sken ki jaka sa dan kino ki jun kam ki widai bat ka ne kita kilong ki ni kino susong ni kwa ban pau sa ke batai kinang bang ni yok ke jmentoi ba miki he baki wan kini yok ke jmentoi ba ku wan cha ni sebenarnya te minta pergi ke mana bakau ba ki layo sa sisen biang pen urlong ya kene jasni ko mata ben braki ya kene tourism day ke sa sisen ko panggil sing ora ba sunong badon kam ya ke development permara nak yang surka ban pek petmilam pemtang ya kisaka ke bala bau dari pemtang yang kedong kucrat badan ya kata cantik ban pek ya culture cantik te ngapain nak senang ni tempat pemtang ni pom makin pek ni pom ya ka connection kali ka suruh kalti semprit teman poi sedu connection but we deki development project abadi hat Jakarta ani kilo-kilo di mata ban pek tourism te kubesibun